You can't swim and send away the corona, Japan. Pickles the Gaijin Jamaican YouTuber. Alright guys, Pickles the Gaijin here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. It's a windy day. Haven't done a video like this in a minute. So, here's the deal. Here is the deal. This might be the worst Olympics ever held in the history of Olympics being held in the Olympiad ever in the world. Because people, listen. There are going to be a lot of rules and countermeasures that need to be done for this Olympics. And in light of the new norm, which is the pandemic and the coronavirus, it's not going to be pretty out here. And there are suggestions that that this Olympics in Tokyo is going to be so lame, fam. What I mean by lame, it's going to be the worst Olympics for athletes. Because remember, the Olympics is a bringing together of the cultures of the countries of the world, okay? They participate in the races, in the Olympics and the events, and then they socialize and they sightsee and they tour, and you know, they spend some extra time in the country, boosting the economy by spending, and also, you know, helping market the country just by being here and taking pictures on Instagram and social media and that sort of thing. But the president of the Olympic Committee says, hold up, y'all gonna come here, run your race, do your event, and leave right after. Let me just walk in the road in the car. Hit me down. Hit me down. Hit me down, cars, because I don't believe this is what I have stayed in Japan for. This Olympics that I have been looking forward to, I won't be able to meet any of the athletes. That's what you're trying to tell me, sir? So they're going to be starting all the nightlife activities. They can't go out and sightsee. They just do the events and leave. The event and bye sis, bye bro. What? Are you insane? I mean, what's the point? What would be the point of having an Olympics without people being able to experience the culture of the country the Olympics is being held in? Damn! And not to mention the exorbitant costs that Japan has invested, the exorbitant amount of money Japan has invested. People, can you imagine an Olympics, a global event, not having any social activity at all? I can't see it. But the IOC is saying they're also willing, if there is a vaccine available, buy the inoculations and work with each nation's Olympic committee or board so that the athletes, so that Japan, the people in Japan can feel safe and confident that no one's bringing corona here. Well, fun fact, corona is alive and well in Japan and by themselves. It is here, don't worry. Don't let the media narrative fool you. It is here, people, it is here. You can't send away the corona, Japan. That's not how it works. I know, corona, no, that doesn't work. Corona, no, that doesn't work. Anyway, what I'm saying is this Olympics will not be like any other Olympics that has been held before, and not in a good way. And the vaccines and it's just crazy, like the thought that the first thing is money. Obviously money is the most important thing here to these people because the Olympics is a business as well. So Japan hasn't even opened its borders fully to foreigners yet. They're hoping by next year they'll open the borders, and Japan has started to have sporting events with audiences now and spectators, but not at the regular capacity. So they're thinking they can find a way to counteract the spread of the corona. But dig this, guys, dig this. After the weekend we just had, there have been crazy spikes in corona cases in Tokyo. It was 493 on Wednesday, and then on Thursday it was like 500. So I don't know, things are supposed to be getting better, but it just keeps getting worse. What are your guys' thoughts? Do you think the Olympics can be held next year in 2021? Is it worth it? Is it worth the risk? What about the athletes that have been training for years for this particular Olympics? It might be the last Olympics. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below and see you in the next video. Pickles the Gaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Also, there is a charity event on Saturday, November 21 at the Soul Food House, the Jamaicans in Japan. They're trying to raise some funds, a charity event to raise funds for tablets for schools in Jamaica, okay? So we're gonna get the tablets, raise some funds for the tablets. Please, if you have time tomorrow, pass through, support the charity. One tablet cost is like 8,000 yen. So anything you can contribute to it to help with the distance learning and online learning in Jamaica, because many persons don't have access to those tools. Alright, see you in the next video. Pickles the Gaijin, we're out.